Do not trespass Darth Vader's lair. Well, of course, this is not really a lair, because this is sort of a room, so it's my lair, so I have something to tell you guys.
I have people skills. I am good at dealing with people. Can't you understand it? What the hell is wrong with you people?
I also got something else to say to you.
You ugly, and you're ugly, and your mother ugly, and your sister ugly. You just plain old ugly.
Hey, Darth Vader. Yes, Master? Mom? What? Oh! Master, stop telling me about moms. Okay, Master, I'll try my best. Thank you. It really disturbs me. Just don't talk to me about bombs, okay? Because if a bomb occurs on me, you don't know what's going to happen. Okay, Master, I'll try. If you look into Darth Vader's eyes, you'll find out why he's here right now.
You are a huge nerd.
Definitely. He does not like anyone. He hates everyone. Because...
I'm pitiful.
So, yeah, he knows how to hit people when he wants to. Hey, Darth Vader. This better not be the same thing, Master. What? What? You just lost the game. My Master mocks me sometimes. The Master right there. So be quiet. I'm gonna poke you with my lifesaver. Okay, Master, I'll stop. You'll stop? Okay. Be quiet. Okay, as I was saying... Wait, I heard something. What was that? Sounds like the doorbell. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm coming! Oh, hello? Oh, hi, brother. Oh! Hey, brother, what are you doing here on this Friday night? Well, I came to see all the other YouTube viewers, and of course, you guys know just now that I am Darth Vader's muscular, strong bro. Yeah, well, I got something to say to you, bro. What is it, Darth Vader?
You ugly, and you're ugly, and your mother ugly, and your sister ugly. You just plain old ugly.
Is that what you said to me? Yeah, pretty much. Because you are ugly. Now, the reason why I came here was to fight my little bro right here. So, you ready to fight, man? Yeah, but why do you want to fight with me? We're in the YouTube video. Well, it's about comedy, so it's about fighting and all that. I know it's about action, but this one is about, this comedy, instead of comedy, it's about action. So, would you want to fight or not? Sure, I guess. Okay, start the ball. Now, oh! 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 Hey, brother. What, Darth Vader? Bowling ball. What? No! Oh! Strike! Alright, brother, come here. We gotta say goodbye. Okay. Well, that does it for this episode of animations of action figures. Stay tuned to my channel for more episodes or of more funness. Okay? And like my videos and subscribe. Okay? See ya. Bye.